Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply set up your Microsoft OneDrive account in your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here where you have your Windows logo. Right click on it and make sure you navigate to settings. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to account right here. Then here you go. Then you have OneDrive right here. What you need to do here is to simply click on the OneDrive. And just like so, now go ahead, you can see finish installing synchronize. Go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. So just like what you see right here, these are all files and different folder you have in your OneDrive right here. Just like so. The next thing you want to do here is to see how you can synchronize your OneDrive, your files, your picture, or what have you from your Windows PC, synchronize to OneDrive account. How can you do that? What you need to do is to simply come down below right here again, click on the show tray icon, and then you have your OneDrive right here. Go ahead and click on it. And this is going to pump up. Then simply go to this top right here. Click on this setting icon. Then you have resume synchronize right here. Just like so. Then all file is going to be import photos and file from OneDrive, Dropbox, and more. So just like so. Now looking for changes, backup, and synchronize has been done successful on your OneDrive. So we can simply exit from there. After successful synchronize everything, then we can view any of the file we have in the OneDrive folder. So like this folder here, let me open up this folder. So this folder here, I can decide to open any of the image right here. You can now see the preview just like so. If it is a file, you do the same thing, you're going to have access back to them right here. So whether you are using internet or you are not using internet, you have synchronized everything together. Then from here, you can have access to any of your OneDrive file straight from your Windows PC. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Windows PC topic like this, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.